impossible things can be made possible. Dream big.
Okay, Manish, thank you again for your time. It's a pleasure again to be here with you.
Thank you for coming.
First of all, congratulations on your work, your leadership, and the clarity of your message here at the Experience World. It is inspiring to see how you combine a strong technical vision with genuine humanity and a very human view of engineers and their role in this AI era.
It's also because I'm one of them. I'm one of the engineers. I am a mechanical engineer. I did my undergrads in mechanical engineering before doing software engineering as masters. So I'm one of my users.
I saw yesterday you and GP fighting the...
Oh my God! You haven't seen all of it. It is going to come out more today.
Oh,
Stay tuned.
nice.
Yeah, he thinks he won. He didn't. You'll see.
Good. I'm here representing Blog da Engenharia,
Okay.
the largest engineering blog in Brazil, and it's a great pleasure to be with you today. I am Mamed, and I'm an engineer, civil and production engineer.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, two engineers. And former president of CREA São Paulo, the largest council of engineers in Brazil and Latin America.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And our mission is to translate what happens on a stage like this into practical insights for Brazilian engineers, students, and professionals who can't be here but are directly impacted by the decisions and innovations you are leading. And first question, in your general session, you described AI as a cognitive energy, like the early days of fire before we built furnaces and industry. For engineers in Brazil, working with lean teams, old machines, and fragile process, what are the first concrete steps they should take so this spark of AI in SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE truly improves their daily work instead of becoming just another buzzword?
The first step of using any AI for that matter is to start to use it in some way or form in your daily life. Because once you start to use it in your daily life, you will learn how the problem is not that tools are there or not. The problem is always to identify the pain. For example, a person who is limping for a long time, they just assume that this is how I walk without realizing that they are limping because they have a pain. Realizing that they have a pain is the first step in solving the pain. So there are a lot of existing AI tools out there. If you have a pain, can you recognize that pain and identify and solve that pain using AI is the first step, because once you learn to do that, you will be able to use it in any other AI scenarios. Now, I would also suggest that for students, I have seen that there is a very strong pushback in academics that AI is things that students are using, which maybe it's a problem. I think it's the wrong fight. In my humble opinion, it's the wrong fight. Any student coming out today who doesn't know AI is going to lag the professional knowledge, professional know-how. We need to embrace AI. Now the question is AI going to be a problem? Imagine if I'm a student, even I remember my days when I was going to class, when the teacher was explaining, instead of looking at the teacher, instead of trying to understand what the teacher was saying, I was writing notes. Then I used to go home and I used to try to understand what did the teacher say. Imagine if there is AI sitting next to me where I say, you capture notes, you tell me what is happening. I am going to try to understand what the professor is saying. I think students can also learn in a better way. So we need to start to think about in daily life, in our daily life, can I use AI in a way where I can improve my life? That's first step. Second step is do not fight it. You cannot imagine that in every area, in every category, in every industry, AI is there to help you. Embrace it. Once you embrace it, you'll be able to guide it to help you. If you fight it, I think you are going to be left behind.
Nice. Thank you. And you've been very clear that engineers will drive this new AI wave, not be replaced by it. That AI is the engine and the engineer is the driver. Looking at Brazil's reality of tight budgets, patchy data management, but huge creativity, what specific skills and abilities do you believe Brazilian engineers and the students must develop now to lead, not follow, in this AI-powered era of design and manufacturing?
There are two parts to AI. One is knowledge and the other is know-how. Know-how comes by practice, but knowledge is which you acquire as much as you can acquire. It's like reading. It's learning to do things. That part is entirely up to you. More you know, more you learn, better you'll be in the future. More you do in practice, your know-how increases that much. So keep on doing more, because eventually AI is going to only help you do things faster. So in a way, whatever I'm doing, if I am not shy of doing hard work, I'll excel in life, no matter what. Whether AI was there or not, it doesn't matter. That doesn't change. What stays constant is that commitment to what you are doing, having the passion to do what you are doing. That is the basic principle of doing anything in life anyways. And I don't think that's going to change. So the basic skills, keep on enhancing it. The basic workflow, the basic knowledge, keep on enhancing it, because if you don't, it will get lost. And if it gets lost, AI might not be able to find it. The other reality is that in my keynote, I also said that a mechanical dog can learn to walk by putting one feet in front of the other.
Yeah.
But someone still needs to build those mechanisms. AI can help us build a better mechanism, but someone needs to physically build it. Someone needs to physically machine those things. Someone needs to create a PCB design. Someone needs to program those PCB designs, etc. Right? So the physical aspect of things still needs human, and that interface. And this is the interface of the physical AI that we talk about. That the physical object that we are creating, and its virtual counterpart, which is driving this physical part. That physical part is still us, and that part, refining it, ensuring, polishing it, that refining the knowledge to create it, to do it in the best possible way, in the least possible time, with least possible cost, etc. We are the key player there, and we will always be the key player there.
It was amazing you said that. We really be exciting about that, because it's what we're thinking about. And you, in your position, said that in the stage. Was amazing. And from your perspective as a CEO of SOLIDWORKS and part of the Dassault Systèmes border vision, how do you see platforms like 3DEXPERIENCE and technologies like virtual twins changing the competitive games for countries like Brazil, example? And what is the one message you would like to send directly to Brazilian engineers who will never be able to attend to the experience world in person, but are following this performation from afar?
So for second answer, whether you are here or not, you can always watch all the sessions. You can always watch every single session that we do here on our communities, on our swim communities. The general sessions are they are publicly available on YouTube. So please utilize that. Do not feel alienated. Do not feel that if you cannot attend, you are missing something. Please join it, because when you join it, you get to hear a great thing, a lot of great things, I would say. Listen to what Jensen Huang was saying. It was amazing. His speech was amazing. Even the first day keynote speaker, he was amazing. It was refreshing, because when he was talking about AI, he was so positive. He was filled with energy that as human beings, we can solve problems that have not been solved using the help of AI. This is the beauty, right? AI can give us more ideas, better ideas, bigger ideas to tackle challenges of the past. So we are, I think personally, I do believe that we are in the best time of our lives, where a lot of problems that we could not have solved before, we can now solve it. Yeah. So I would say, advice, you asked for one advice that I can possibly give, I would say dream big. Have huge dreams. Do not bound yourself to the limits of what you can do today. Because when you have dreams which are huge, impossible things can be made possible. Dream big.
Dream big is like dream small is the same as dream big. So dream big is better.
Dream big is better because when you dream big, you challenge yourself. And as human beings, we are all capable of doing things we are not even aware of. So when you dream big, I also believe that there is this thing called vibe. Okay. There is a whole wave particle duality principle, right? That if you have a tuning fork, if I hit one, the other starts to vibrate. In mechanical engineering, it's one of the basic principles that their frequency is same. So if you hit one, the other of the same frequency starts to vibrate. If you are filled with positive vibe, positive things happen. If you are filled with big dreams and positive vibes, I tell you, positive things happen. So be positive, dream big, strive for it. You don't know what you're capable of. And AI is only going to give you more Superman-like capabilities, Superwoman-like capabilities that we were not even aware of before. So dream big, work hard, because dreams do come true.
Yeah, it's a awesome message. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for...
It's always a pleasure to be with you, to hear you. It's inspiring for me, for our people. Yeah, thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you so much.